Hi, it's James from the Excire team. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excire's cutting-edge aesthetics AI tool to instantly identify your best and worst images from photo shoots or even from your entire Excire Foto library. Basically, Excire's technology has been extensively trained by expert photographers using hundreds of thousands of images to intelligently evaluate photos. In fact, this AI technology has been used as a judge in international photography competitions. Now, when it's actually evaluating an image, the software outputs an aesthetic score from 0 to 100, indicating exactly how aesthetically pleasing the image appears. And as I alluded to a moment ago, this can be extremely useful for quickly culling your images, and it can also be a great way to find your best photos, including some hidden gems from deep within your Excire catalog. Now, the simplest way to work with Excire aesthetic values is to make sure that you've just selected the relevant folder or collection that you want to search through. And I'm just going to make sure all photos are selected here. And then come up here and say sort by. We want to say aesthetics. Now, depending on whether you want to see your best photos first or your worst photos first, you'll want to sort by ascending or descending. Since I want to see my best, the most aesthetic photos first, I'm going to sort by descending. And then here's the result. This is what we get. Excire software used its aesthetic scores to pull up the images that are most aesthetic and then slowly drop down all the way at the bottom the images that it views as least aesthetic. So I wanted to see the most aesthetic photos in my catalog, and that's what I got. These images are ordered by their aesthetic scores, but I also have the option to review the individual aesthetic scores simply by clicking on a photo, then looking here under the score panel and finding this aesthetics value. So if you look up here, the top image in this catalog has a 95.97. But as we scroll down, the values drop here, 83.33, and then they continue to drop even further. So this aesthetic score can be hugely useful for culling photos, for finding images for social media or printing, and so much more. Just bear in mind, of course, that photography is subjective, and even world-class photographers disagree often about image aesthetics and image quality. So if your personal aesthetic evaluation doesn't align with Excire's AI, that's completely okay, and that's completely understandable. In other words, test out Excire's aesthetic search and just see how it works for you.